Hello and welcome back to another video. In this video, we are installing DeepSeek. Now, I'm doing this fast, I'm doing this quick because, well, it's a China thing, so I don't know how long it will last and we can't have nice things for long. So, this will allow you to run DeepSeek on your local system. So, let's just get right into it. So, here we are in the desktop, and in here, we are actually going to just open up a browser. Any browser will do. So, for here, I'm using Chrome. Anything is fine. Just go to Ollama.com and you should be in this website right here, and you can see DeepSeek is right here, and this is what allows you to actually run a large language model on your system. To get started with it, we just have to click on download, and we're doing this on Windows, so we'll just download for Windows. And I have it downloaded, as you can see right here. It's already downloaded. Just wait for it to download. It's a 700 megabyte file, so it may take a while depending on your internet connection. Open up the directory where it's downloaded. As you can see, it's a cute llama, and I'll just double click on it to run and just hit install. So this will basically install Ollama on your system, and it will allow you to run not just DeepSeek but any large language model that is available in the open source space. So it's almost close to being done, and what I'd like to say that it can be run even more securely than just directly running on the system, and we'll get to that. So now it's installed. You can see it says here Ollama is running. You can actually click here and see the little llama right here, which will basically mean that it's actually running. Now, how do we actually run this? Now, if I just get back to the website, so now in here you can see there's something called models, and in model you can find a variety of models that are available for Ollama to work on, and we're interested in DeepSeek. So just click on it. Now these are basically again the sample size, so it's how much intelligence your bot will have. This one being the lowest, and don't take it lightly. I'll just show you that even if it's low, it's really good and it can be used. So if I just click on it to load a bit, and it will give you a command, and we'll just copy this one. Let's go to our start. I'll just close this. Then we'll open up a terminal, and in here you can see it's running PowerShell. You can also directly open PowerShell. It doesn't really matter, but if I just type in Ollama -version, you can see that Ollama is actually installed and it's working. So now if I just paste the command, what this will do is download and run the DeepSeek AI. Now, if I just hit enter, so it will download the DeepSeek model and install it onto the Ollama. So there we go. As you can see, it says success. So it's done installing, and now we can actually use it. We can just say hello and it will return a message. Now let's make it a bit complicated. So let's say so as you can see, yeah, it's quite capable of kind of taking your prompt and giving you very intricate answers, even though the sample size is really small. That doesn't mean it's stupid. So that's basically it. That's how you install DeepSeek onto your system locally, and it will actually work if you don't have internet, because you have all the data necessary for the model to actually respond to you accurately and precisely, even though you are not connected to the internet. So that's always a plus, where you don't have to worry about it too much. But if you enjoyed the video, or if you have found this video helpful, obviously subscribe to the channel and leave a like. Also leave a comment what is the largest model you can run on your system. So I tried the 7 billion one, and it does work, but I don't know, like, okay. There's also a part where you can actually have a UI for this, but I will not cover this in this video. It's quite, like, the recording got quite big while I was doing it because the downloads take so long. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.